off the back of the boat. Oh, yep, off the back of the boat here. We swing around.
Hello guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, I think, almost afternoon. We're here actually in Melbourne, Vieira area. Going on that boat behind us right there. We're gonna be going with my parents and hopefully see some dolphins today. Go kind of check out a couple of things in this area, just see what this boat tour is all about. It's actually a family-owned boat tour. We'll give you a little bit more information. We've actually been on this once before and it was really awesome. So we figured that we'd bring you guys along this time just because it's really, really cool. So,
and where we are is we're in Melbourne right now. Close to Cocoa Beach.
Yeah, about like probably 20 minutes away from Cocoa Beach. So,
yep.
Yeah, beautiful day today. It's about like 72 degrees and sunny right now. Absolutely gorgeous. So, I don't know. I kind of can't remember all the details. So I guess that's the point of the video anyway. So we'll learn with you guys, but we'll do it. Let's go.
I know the deal. Go, Kelly. Okay, so welcome out here to the Indian River Lagoon and Estuary. One of North America's most complex, unique, and biodiverse lagoon and estuaries. It's also one of its largest. Now, it's only second to the Chesapeake Bay here on the East Coast of the United States. It's over 156 miles long. That's over a third of the East Coast of Florida, so we know that's a long stretch, no doubt about that.
Yeah, apparently right before we got to this point, we're heading back in. Just saw, they're like right out here, there was a dolphin that was doing a flip. And we've seen a lot, I think a little bit more than what we did last time with, you know, dolphins and everything. But you can see beautiful setup that they've got here, wide open. You can sit, actually, Jeff over there is enjoying his drink. You can pack a little cooler, snacks and everything. But just awesome setup that they have. There's even a restroom behind me, so if you're worried about bringing drinks like I would be, you're totally fine to bring your drinks and use the restroom, hang out, relax. But yeah, manatees, dolphins, birds, fish, all kinds of stuff today. Hopefully we should see, I remember last time we came we did see some dolphins, so I'm keeping an eye out.
A quick overview of the boat. Hope you can hear me because the engine is kind of loud, but here's the engine back here. You can kind of like relax and look out the back side of the boat here to see the dolphins and the wildlife. And then one thing to note, they do have a bathroom as well. And they have a bunch of seating up here, a cooler that you can buy water from as well. Then there's more seating, and then they have the open area up there. And a bunch of snacks right there as well. Got a cabin up there. Oh. Just giving a little overview of the boat. That's really about it though.
See if we can catch his attention. Sometimes we can slow him down a little bit. Curiosity might get the best of him. Little rock and roll as we swing around here. Now we're always looking for the interactive dolphin. And when I say interactive, you'll see or hear the boat coming. They come zipping right up to us sometimes and zigzag back and forth under the boat. Sometimes they'll jump in the stern wake and surf along with us for a couple minutes. Sometimes come pretty close to them. But should be going out to the right side here.
Oh, there he is.
There's one of them.
Oh.
Alright, so being a subspecies of the Atlantic bottlenose, they want to make it their own species, calling it the Indian River bottlenose. Yeah. Alright, as we swing around, they probably off the back of the, off the back of the boat here as we swing around.
Got it?
Alright, coming up on the left side here, guys. So all the tagging programs used to take a long time to get all that information back. Now we have GPS and satellite. We know they'll go up to the Carolinas, down around South Florida, some and over the Bahamas. But when they're done breeding for that season that's outside the lagoon, they always return right back here to the lagoon. And this is an average pod per lagoon. You know, we got 3 of them here. That's another big difference between here and the ocean. Out in the ocean, pods can range anywhere from 4 or 5 dolphins up to 400 and 500 dolphins, being literally acres of dolphins. Don't They're still there.
I see them.
I'll tell you what, that never gets old right there.
That's for sure.
Like I said earlier, sometimes we'll ride with us for a couple minutes, sometimes a couple miles. They're still coming along. But like I said, screenshot it. You can go closer. No, you're good. Boy, they follow us around in a whole circle here. They might just keep going with us if we head south. Oh, there's a big breach. Awesome, they're still there, but they're a little further back now. Female has the brown head with a white belly and chest. The males have that dark belly and chest, white to a yellow goldish head. They're all pretty young. Right? Their head starts getting that yellow tint to it. Then you can tell they're starting to get a little bit of age to them. Well, nothing all over their shoulders there on their back. But ospreys get mistaken for eagles a lot. When you see them up in the tree line, you see that white head and those big brown shoulders. But then as you get up closer to them, you see mama's got that big band that goes across their eyes. Well, they're known as a fishhawk. They are strictly aquatic eaters. So they dive down from 120, 130 feet, getting upwards of 80 miles an hour. That's how they start getting those double leaps. Years later, with a little single English bridge, it might be right up above the pontoon. He just ran.
Oh man, they're right under us.
Like I said, they'll get so close to the boat, you'll look right past them. I mean, they'll be right underneath you sometimes.
You see that? No. You gotta look right there. See the wake?
So we got this beautiful Royal Point Sienna right here in front of us. There's going to be some more dolphins in front of us also. There's an old seawall here. There's an old road.
Wow.
This is where you would have found some of the bigger steam. Oh, nice pot dolphin coming up here, guys.
Which side?
So we're on the Banana River right now. We're actually on the hunt for manatees. We're looking for footprints right now to see if we can see some manatees. We're about 30 minutes into the tour right now, and we've seen a ton of dolphins, a couple of schools of fish, and
tons of really pretty birds.
yeah, a few jellyfish just like kind of like right there, like along the water. But so far, man, it's a lot of fun, eh?
Yeah, beautiful day for it too. Like the perfect day to go do this, and just
Gorgeous.
a lot. I think last time we saw a couple dolphins, but we're seeing a lot, and they ride right underneath the boat. And oh my gosh, it's so cool. I think I got some good footage. I don't know. I was so excited that I wasn't even holding the camera for, like good, but oh yeah, check this house out. It looks like a cruise ship.
Cruise ship looking house over here.
I mean, that looks like paddlefish at Disney Springs, doesn't it?
It really does. Well, if we ever win the lottery, we'll definitely be buying a house out here somewhere.
Yeah.
This morning, you see these dogs up on the docks right here. Oh, guys, we might have a manatee down there along the rocks. See something down there, unless it's... Sometimes you'll see the manatees feeding along these rocks, eating the vegetation off the rocks. See something down there. Let's check it out. Yup, it's the manatees. Alright guys, we're going to have some manatees. They're going to be on the left side, I do believe. Now, we know manatees are called sea cows and stuff like that, but you know what's crazy is their closest living relative, an elephant. They are actually related to an elephant. Now, an elephant live in the savannah. There's nothing that's going to take down a healthy elephant in the savannah, right? Well, this lagoon system is an ancient savannah. All
right, so we're coming towards the end of our tour. After we actually go to grills to eat, you get $5 off per person with your ticket, right? I think, which is really cool. But we're kind of finishing up our trip over here. What did you think so far?
Loved it.
Loved it?
Beautiful day. Temperature about 82 degrees, slight breeze, calm waters. Couldn't ask for more.
Yeah, you can't beat today. Is it 80 degrees now?
I think so.
Somewhere around there. So yeah. and we're just actually at the very front of the boat right now. We've got our Topo Chico seltzers, and we're just chilling, and I don't think you could really beat this. So
We're on top of the world.
as he says, we're on top of the world. Hold me, Jack. You see it back there? Right there. The wave. And look at right here. He's about to jump. Oh. Come on, buddy. Speed racer over here.
A little rocking and rolling.
Woo. Yeah, I will have to say, if you're looking for one of the most relaxing things to do while visiting Florida, do this.
Good-natured river tours.
Hopefully you can hear me because it is a little windy, but what Jeff was just pointing out with Bob, Bill and Billy that we had taking care of us today are seriously so informative. They know so much about this area and what's going on and what happened in the past. Just really, really awesome.
The captain's like a dolphin whisperer. He seems like he could see one from 200 yards away, and he tells us what it's going to do, and it usually does.
That's so true. Every single time we're sitting there, we're like, okay, well, where are they at? And they're like, okay, on the right, they're going to be here. They're following the wave. They're doing this, so you can't miss it.
They might be riding the wave. You learn it turns, and it would be on the right side. You look that way, and sure enough,
Sure enough,
they
they're
are.
right there. Yeah, really neat. All right, and just like that, 2 hours later, the most entertaining 2 hours you can have. We are all done. Amazing trip.
There we go.
Bye, thank you. All right, so just for some quick wayfinding, if you see the Grills Riverside sign, you come in and you can park anywhere here, and just right there is where the tour starts. And then just to show you, so the restaurant's right here and the tour starts right here. They're phenomenal. Seriously, they give, I don't know, such an informative tour, and you see a lot too. They go out of their way to make sure you see a lot. What did you think?
I mean, it's tremendous. I mean, the captain is so informative, and his son is a family-owned business. So, I mean, they just have so much knowledge on the history of the area, where to go in the water, where the dolphins are. You know, it's awesome. And the guy told me he's been doing this for 10 plus years. So
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, it shows too. And Mom, this is what, your 6th, 7th time?
At least.
Yeah, 6 or 7 times. Yeah, so every single time that she brings somebody here, which I know this is our 2nd time, but you always bring all your friends and family. So
Everybody that visits us,
Yep.
absolutely.
Yep.
Yeah, it's been about 6 or 7 times.
Yeah.
And every time is different.
Yeah.
I do have an address.
Oh yeah. Yeah, what's the address?
6075 North US Highway 1, Melbourne, Florida 32940.
Beautifully done, Mom. I'll go ahead and put that on the screen as well.
Well, I really wanna know, my baby. What I really wanna say is I'm not mine.
I want to make some.
yeah, Merle has
This is the rock shrimp with butter. This looks awesome. They say it tastes like a mixture between what, shrimp and lobster?
shrimp and lobster. So it should be very tender. And they give you some butter sauce right here. That's not bad at all.
Okay, so food has arrived. What did you get?
So this is the fish Reuben. It's the catch of the day. So I have my choice between, I believe it was mahi-mahi, red snapper, yellowtail. I chose mahi-mahi. So just a classic Reuben with Thousand Island dressing, sauerkraut, Swiss cheese, and then grilled mahi.
Woo! I got the tuna poke. This is what I got last time. It's absolutely delicious. Little seaweed salad on the side. And then what did you guys get?
Full rack of barbecue ribs.
Yeah, so they split 1 rack of ribs, and it comes with, these are, if you can believe it, the sides. So, yeah, good deal.
Oh, you're awesome. Chef extraordinaire.
I space cowboy.
Alright, so we just finished up our lunch at Grills. It was so good, absolutely delicious. Phenomenal. We got our drinks here, ready to go, and we're gonna walk down by the pier. You can see those two troublemakers right there, already over there. Oh my gosh, we're having so much fun. Beautiful day. We couldn't ask for more. Okay, so super quick before the next part of our video, we're actually going on an airboat tour, and we didn't tell Jeff because he's wanted to go forever. And so that's what we're doing today. So he's sitting on the couch right now, and we're saying we're going out to lunch. And actually our friends Chris and Nicole will be going with us. So I'm really excited to see what he thinks. He's like, what the hell? How close I was like.
That's why when you're like, oh, do you want to be?
You guys ready?
Is that a video?
Yes, it's a video. You're doing great, kid. You're doing great.
You're looking extra photogenic today.
Anyway, this lake was going to freeze over. They didn't know what to do about the alligators. That's the shit. We're going to lose every one of them. Right before that lake froze over, they stuck their nostrils above the
Oh shit.
That's a big one.
Ooh yeah. He's watching us though.
Hello, Mr. Gator. Jeff would like you to eat him for dinner.
There's a bunch under the boat.
Actually good.
Don't worry, Jeff. I would protect you, okay? Only
dive
because I
in?
like Nicole. No,
Dive in
not
after
that
this?
No, but I'll punch you before he gets you.
No, the calves, no, they get protected like I would protect my kids.
Yeah, that's what we want.
Oh no, Jeff, no!
God, please, no, not Jeff.
Okay, so Jeff has his gators. Nicole is trying gator for the first time.
You're being on the spot, you bitch.
How was it?
It's like fishy chicken.
Yeah, I tell you, it's great.
I love eating
The view. Cole, cheers.
With a splash of ice.
Oh.
Okay, well, Mom just jumped into our final cut of this week. So we didn't talk much today because we had friends coming in and we went to go do the surprise boat tour. What did you think about the boat tour?
Oh, it was awesome.
Yeah, it was so much fun.
A little scary at times, but
Yeah, a little scary. We thought we were gonna flip into the Gators, but we just ended right behind us in Cocoa. Went to the beer garden, saw the water, enjoyed ourselves. Had such a good time. But now our time has come to an end. So thank you for checking out the East Coast with us. Until next time, bye.